带来的精彩演出。欢迎醒吾科技大学，下一组重庆工商大学经济学院，请准备。Welcome Tsinghua University. Next team, Economic School of Chongqing Technology and Business University. Please get ready.
Wow, on a sunny day, the animals are having fun and having a meeting to discuss their summer tour.
Hey, everyone! Our application has been rejected.
What? Hey, what's wrong? Oh, I have a tour of my friend already.
Hey, quiet please. I know how you guys feel, really. I feel sad as well.
But why? How is reason?
See a newspaper yet?
I know him. That's my friend Ahmed. At first, Ahmed brought left her tooth in accident.
Oh,
What the worst is one with clothes removed him from the scene. He jumped from 2 meters high and paces away.
So, that means we cannot go anywhere anymore? Oh,
No, they told me if we can find a proper partner, the K insurance $17 journey, we still can go.
Hey, that's an excuse. Hippo is huge and rabbit is teeny. I'm active and she is tall. There is no possible to find a way out.
Hey guys, there's a new shop around the corner. Is that Silver for Life? Shall we try?
Maybe we can try it. Let's go.
May I help you?
As we are looking for a product, they can schedule an explore summer tour.
Lady first. What's your demand?
Hi, I'm Hippo. Well, I'm nothing but still in shock. I need a safety belt to make me feel secure.
For sure must be made. A seatbelt can withstand at 7,000 pounds. I truly believe it will make you feel secure and comfortable.
How about me? I am so conspicuous. I need to say hi to everyone all the time. I cannot say things on one direction in the right position. Social is my life.
Yes, that's our strength. Let my colleague show you how to work.
No seatbelt consists of a lap belt, which rests over your button, and a shoulder belt, which extends across your chest. The two belt sections are tightly secured to the frame of the car in order to hold passengers in their seats. Besides, the seatbelt webbing is made of more flexible material, which means the stop isn't so hard that you still can say hi every direction you want.
Where's Black Barnabas?
I am the king of the farm. Why? In Benfield and the normal. Nothing can tie me up. I am the king of for fun.
Yes, yes, my lord. Let me explain to you. Webbing is the part of seatbelt in contact with the passenger that receive and soften the shock of an impact. We pursue accident in all aspects of webbing, including the fiber materials, coating materials, method of webbing, and irrigation.
So,
That means you can be protected as a kid and without any constraint.
A spontaneous baby like me?
And a fashionista like me?
We offer customized service for any size and every color you need, and a dual-sensitive emergency locking retractor which can offer sound and protection at the same time.
Let's
Wonderful! Can you tell me of some more details bring back to the phone?
Yes, let me show you our product videos.
Exceed your expectations. Honglink has devoted to lead the industry in manufacturing the highest quality safety seatbelt restraint systems in the multiple fields.
With the competency of vertical integration, we not only service total solutions and quality control to customers, but also provide 3D and flexibility production meet customer demands. Our product line can really divide into the 3 categories.
The HL610 series emergency locking retractors are the most popular and reputable seatbelt retractors used for 3-point or 2-point restraint systems. These series products are being used in a variety of vehicles in North America as shown on the screen.
The series are for utility vehicles which are operating in harsh environment. The compact design of HL525 enables it to be easily fit the most space in the demanding installation as you can see on the screen. And we are the pioneer in design and manufacturing in this field.
The Honglink 2-point automatic locking retractors are completely engineered and built to be easily fitted in the multiple of applications such as tractors and ride-on mowers.
And Honglink is a vertically integrated manufacturer. We have been comprehensively investing demanding installation requirement of the robust conjunction testing.
Through all these advanced tests and research, we can provide simple and unique solutions to support our customers' safety, flexibility, endurance, and variety products.
We are making the road a safer place for everyone, from investing the 3-point safety belt to safer locking gear.
We are always looking ahead.
That's our product videos. For more detail, you can go to our booth number 14.
Thanks for your listening.
请掌声谢谢醒吾科技大学带来的精彩演出。